Hey guys, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Today's video is about how to remove the conditions on your green card. As a recap, whenever you're applying for a green card based on marriage to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, immigration always assumes that the only reason why you got into that marriage in the first place is because you wanted a green card. So if you have been married for under 2 years at the time that you're filing your green card application, if and when that application is approved, you're going to get a 2-year green card. And then you have to go back to immigration 2 years later to remove the conditions on that green card so that you're able to get a 10-year green card. So this video will explain that process. About 90 days before your 2-year green card expires, you'll need to file Form 751. It's important that you file the application before your green card expires because if you do, the green card will automatically be extended. So while your card will still have the expired date on it, you will receive a receipt notice that says that your green card has been extended for X period of time. So if you run into issues with your employer, even though your physical card will be expired, you can still use this receipt notice as proof that you still have valid status in the United States. You typically file Form 751 with your spouse, and you're typically filing the same or similar information and documents as you did the first time you applied for the green card. And you'll typically do this with your spouse. However, there are situations where you might want to or need to file this application on your own. For example, if you and your spouse are separated due to domestic violence situations, or if you and your spouse are divorced at the time that you're filing Form 751. Neither of these situations by themselves is enough to keep you from getting your green card, but if these situations apply to your case, I would strongly encourage you to work privately with an immigration attorney to help you navigate because these types of cases can get complicated. The good and the bad news is that the application, the 751 application to remove the conditions on your green card, can take at least 18 months. So the bad news is obviously you're waiting a really long time before you can get your 10-year green card. The good news, at least for people that are married to U.S. citizens, is that if you've had your green card for 3 years and you're married to a U.S. citizen, you can apply for U.S. citizenship. And so oftentimes, because the process takes so long, people will just apply for U.S. citizenship, and doing so will force USCIS to make a decision in your 751 case. Because even if they approve the citizenship application, they can't make you a U.S. citizen until they approve the 751 application. So it is possible for some people to go straight from having a green card right into U.S. citizenship. But this is something that you would definitely want to work with an immigration attorney on. Once the 751 is approved, you get your 10-year green card, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you with your immigration cases. And please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Thanks so much for watching.